Shadows grow so long before my eyes, and they're moving across the page.
To my beautiful and sexy wife. I remember the first time we met sa construction site, and nagtanong ako noon, anong ginagawa mo? I thought it was the right question to ask to start the connection with you, but it wasn't. Ang sagot mo lang, nagsusukat. After that, few conversations, we never talked again. And I found myself thinking, maybe next time.
Ooh, baby, I love your way every day. Yeah, yeah. I wanna tell you I love your way every day. Yeah, yeah.
Are you ready?
I wanna be with you night and day.
Dang, dang.
Then, a year later, out of the blue, we got connected again dahil nagtanong ako, hiring ba kayo? And that was it. The perfect question to ask that maybe brought us here. Charot lang.
I wonder how they have the power to shine, shine, shine. I can see that.
That made me realize it wasn't about the question or the answer. It's about the timing. If God says this is the right time, then it is the right time. And this time, we are about to spend the rest of our lives and beyond together.
Just won't wait. Yeah. Ooh, baby, love your way every day. I wanna tell you.
Carlo and Dia, do you promise to give yourself to each other in the holy state of matrimony?
Yes, I
I can see the sunset in your eyes, brown and gray.
Mag-honeymoon kami.
Blue beside.
Pero hindi ko na sasabihin niyo sa ano. Kami na lang dalawa. Wala, may magic ako.
Wish I could buy.
I promise to eat everything you cook, whether it's a hit or a miss. I promise to listen to all your blabbering. And I promise to choose you every day and always. Pipiliin kita araw-araw at lagit-lagi.
No, baby, I love your little way. I wanna tell you I love you way. I wanna be with you night and day. Oh baby, oh baby.
Naalala mo ba, noong unang beses tayong nagkita sa construction site? Mula sa unang pagkita natin, actually, nakaramdam na ako ng connection na parang may tawag ni Lord na may special sa'yo.
Baby, standing here with you, with your arms around my shoulders.
Noon, hindi ko pa alam kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng connection na yun. Pero ngayon, alam ko na. Ikaw na pala ang binigay ni Lord na makakasama ko habang buhay.
For the rest of my days, in the sun on Sunday morning, or the pouring rain, I got you. For the rest of my life, and if all else goes wrong, baby, I'll be.
I can't wait to see you walk down the aisle. I'll be there, probably trying not to cry. Love you! Iingatan ko to at alam mong pinapangarap ko magkaroon ng Gucci and this is it! Thank you!
Looking in your eyes, it's like we're in slow motion, just you and me tonight. And baby, you're leaning for a kiss, and I know, and I know, and I know that it don't get better than this. 'Cause I got you for the rest of my days in the sun of
Ma, thank you sa pag-aalaga. Yun naman sabi ko eh. Kaya ayoko ng ganito eh. Alam ko, marami akong naging pinagdaanan, pinagsamahan natin. And I'm sorry, but Alam mo naman, love na
Don't
love
say
kita.
sorry. Alam ko yun. Don't say sorry.
Si daddy din. Still, we're strong and at the end of the day, tayo pa rin naman na magkakasama at magmamahal.
'Cause I got you. I got you for the rest of my days. In the sun on Sunday morning or the pouring rain. 'Cause I got you.
Ipinapangako ko na paglulutuan kita ng masarap at kakainin mo sa ayaw at sa gusto mo. At para sa ating magiging pamilya. Pinipili kita ngayon at pipiliin ka sa araw-araw. Huwag kang mag-alala, ikaw lang ang pogi sa paningin ko.
Only Carlo touches my skin. See you later. Rar. Mama naka-shade. Manyok.
got sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside.
Excited ako sa pagbubuo natin ng isang buhay na puno ng tawanan, pakikipagsapalaran, at kabutihan. I love you so much, he loves, Padangaton Taka.
Well, I guess you say what can make me feel this way, my girl, my girl, my girl, talking about my girl, my girl.
Matatali ka na sa akin. Tandaan mo yan. Hindi ka na makakainom. Charot. But I know na you are so very, very pogi. Ikaw lang ang pogi sa paningin ko. Char.
I don't need no one.